Good morning. Alright. It's go time. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Coming at you live, 6:28 a.m. West Coast, USA. We covered lots of distance yesterday. I like where it is going. I got around S7s in the chat to kick off the day. We got blast off already. Monster rocket ship. Percentage holdings. SMTG. Finding the green, man. I see already. Can do this. Got this. It's not that bad. We're gonna have a bit of a dollar dip today anyway. There's gonna be a coconut bounce today, I'm sure. When nothing too extreme, things start going green. It's not much, but it's something. Dollar's not going straight up right now. Okay, so that's gonna lead to a coconut bounce. S&P closing 3% red yesterday. My goodness. Let the fun begin. Yo, easy, Tamagato, Hornet, Robert, Evil Toro, Does Open, Camera Energy, JB, Kelly, Gregory, DLG, Flighty 420, Scotty My Mad, Dummy Lane, M. Crow, Gizmo, The Pet, Will Smith, Jumping Meeting Joe, Swift Mischief. The Canberra Bulls. It's up 30%. So. Up 7's target. I'll just get this treasure back to town. Firefly, Ben Hopa, Brittany and Becky, Suckers, Underwater. Headset, Swift Mischief, Aggro Grizzly, Evil Taurus, Charles Calloway, Noah, Bobby, Elton Kirk, Captain Motorboat, Brian Walters, Early Dark. Michael got everyone. If I didn't, I'd just start some stuff to the chat. Charles Calloway, and I got you guys. I'll see. May all stock pirates be accounted for. When I do a head count, make sure we didn't lose anyone overboard overnight. Did you party yet? S&P is still under 420. Still. Let's not playing around. Not fucking around no more. Neither are we. Arrgh. Markets are up. There should be some kind of coconut bounce some point today. We'll see. Maybe not today. Maybe tomorrow. Instead. So far, it is continuing from yesterday. People asking about AMC under 15. Yeah, well, first things first, the green. The green sent its holdings. Camber Energy. Go, go, go. Mullen, 20 fucking %. Mullen. I don't think y'all made enough money yesterday. I don't think our Mullen Bulls made enough money yet. Epic. See how AMC does that? 14? No, AMC screwed under 15. I'm sorry. I love you, AMC. Going to single digits under 15. What we were talking about yesterday. Waiting for some kind of development. This is it.
Hot beverage.
You're not waiting for nothing. It's under 15. That's what we were waiting for. That's it. It is what it is. Trust the charts. Looks like we're going to single digits. Just get ready to maybe buy the dip, that's all. What's wrong with that? It just means we're getting closer to the bottom. It's in trouble if it gets stuck here. Like, stuck under 15 is exactly what we've been talking about for the bear case. This is the bear scenario. It's getting hurt from the dollar. It's getting hurt with the market crash. S&P is having the coconut bounce. Back over 420. And so why is AMC red? It just is what it is. It didn't get a breakout. Until it gets a breakout, be careful. If bullish over 15, is it over 15? No, it's not. So I guess it's not bullish. Okay. Why sugarcoat it? We've been patient with it all last year. Talking about the potential to get single digit entries on it again one day. We might get it, right? It's not really even a bad thing. It's only bad if you don't know how to handle it. If somebody bought it at 15 and then they paper hand it at $5, they're a coconut. Damn, I might have put on the hat. If somebody's patient and they buy the dip at $5, they're a smart mofo. That's what I like to call a stock pirate. Smart money. Depends how you play it. It's really not even a bad thing. I think y'all better listen to the charts because they're showing going down under 10. So would I buy it right here? Fuck no. I'll wait and see if it goes down there. And then maybe I'll buy some at 5. I will. I'll buy at least one share. I promise I'll at least buy one share of AMC. And GameStop. I'll get one GameStop too. 99, stuck under 100. I'll see you at 50. Don't hate the messenger. I'm just showing you the technicals on the chart. At least I'm right. Well, if you don't like to hear that, it's because you know it's true. If you didn't believe me, you wouldn't get upset about it. That would only be hard to hear if you knew it was true. So there. I've been saying it's possible for fucking forever. We've had this coffee cup right here for months and months and months. This is our original $40 entry on the first breakout on GameStop. The first time we traded GameStop. Right here. Boom. I know a bunch of you remember that one because that was your biggest trade you ever had. Going from 40 to 350. When the time is right. They took profits and we've been waiting for something better. For a better opportunity on it. This whole period right here. From March 2021 to March 2022 right now. A whole year. Goddamn. Literally a whole year. When we hit our target on GameStop the first time, waiting for a better entry. Fake out breakouts everywhere. Fake out breakout here, here. Never maintaining the support. Stuck under the resistance. Now it's under 100. That's a clear sign. It might be down here by the end of the week, okay? Prepare the cannons! Get ready to pillage it! It's gonna be exciting when we're firing cannons at that thing. Maybe on Friday people will be buying it for $49 at a $50 stop on. Imagine if Friday people were buying AMC for like $4.99. My goodness, that's exciting. It's not like we're bearish on it. It doesn't mean we're bearish on it. It's just obviously taking damage.
Back on deck.
Let's wake up the neighbors. Meanwhile, it's Camber Energy 50%. It's almost over $2. I guess all the moon boys, all those fucking paper hand dummies, they paper hand in their AMC, they're FOMO and Camber Energy. The noobs are selling their AMC for red. They're FOMO and Camber Energy. That's obvious now. They love Camber Energy. They fucked it up last time, remember? They bought it at $5, so they'll buy it at any price. They're FOMOing it every day now. They're probably selling their AMC to FOMO Camber. All the savages are talking about puts already. Yeah, see why it wasn't good yesterday? Couple people tried to enter puts on it yesterday here. That was no bueno. No, wait till we hit our target. Wait till till the bulls are taking profit. Once you're hearing me yelling at the bulls to lock in profit. Around 3. When it gets up around 3. I don't think it's going to 5. I've been saying that the whole time. The move's only to 277. This is not a move to $5. I'm not confident it's gonna go beyond 3. Right now. In the long term, sure. After that, sure. Hey, who got brand new member? Okay. Oh, it's Lois. Oh, perfect. She's coming back aboard. I saw it that time. Great, great. Once in a while, somebody just has a billing mix-up or whatever. I suppose at this rate, we'll set an AMC alert. Yeah, perfect. Something was up with your Patreon. That happens once in a while. So check it if you get booted. It's nothing personal, it's automatic. The robot removes people every month who aren't signed up. Whoa, Nelly goes AMC's my sloppy seconds. Whoa, Nelly, did you get in the first run on AMC? As I know you joined the crew afterwards at some point. Not everyone was with us back in the early AMC run, which was pretty wild because that's what established us. That's how we established ourselves as a force to be reckoned with. That's when everyone saw how accurate the charts can be. Learn to trust the charts. At this rate, we better put an alert on it for a hot bevy. Just in case something wild happens, unexpected, I'm putting in a $9.99 alert on it. So we don't miss it at any point this week, this month. That's one way to get ready for it. Get our alerts ready, you get your dry powder ready. And our mindset, let's get our mindset ready that it's looking to do this. It's very sketch right now. It's so far stuck under 15. If it doesn't hold above 15 pretty much today, I just gotta get back up there today or else it's gonna keep going down tomorrow. So. Same deal with GameStop. Okay, it's at 100 right now. There's gonna be some chop and everything. We are getting a little bit of that coconut bounce on the S&P. It makes sense today to get a coconut bounce on it today, but we'll see. I think it'll be a small coconut bounce, so you wouldn't want to exit your GameStop right now, per se, right? You wouldn't want to sell your GameStop and then 100% think that it's going to happen. It's just looking that we're heading this direction, so let's be ready for that. They're showing weakness today. They have a chance to get back over. I'm not giving up on them yet. Right now, I'm not saying they're for sure gonna go down just yet, but like there's nothing else we're waiting for. That's the signal.
I left my debit card in a cupcake machine in Las Vegas, and apparently that card was linked to my Patreon.
Oh, thanks so much. You're so sweet. Really putting that high roller status to show. She was balling in Las Vegas. It was a damn good cupcake, she said. A cupcake vending machine. Damn, you put your credit card in a cupcake vending machine and I ate it. It was a trick all along. It was a trap all. Anyway. You're awesome, Willis. Crack me up. You're such a good person. Turn up the music? I can do that. A cool runner. I'm glad to turn it down a little bit for you. But just so you know, usually when somebody says turn down the music, everyone else demands that I turn it up even louder. Usually it's the opposite effect. Whoever goes, the music's never loud enough when I'm at work. You guys never turn it down. Swabby can't hear you, the music's too loud. He can't hear you in the chat. Now Cool Runner's cool. He's cool and he's running with the best of them now. He's been here all week crushing it. All of Monday. No. I've enjoyed having him around. He's asked politely, it's all good. stock rider? I hope so. I hope we see that $3 camber energy today. Anything's possible. There's pretty much no limit to how far it can go if it did. If it did. Yeah, it can do that. That's a bit over 100% to the upside. We saw Mullen. We rode Mullen up 177% in one day. If Mullen can go 177% in one day, Camber Energy can go 100% in one day. Yeah. Fair enough. Cool Runner's got headphones on. I've never even listened with headphones on before like that. A real high quality headset. Probably is quite loud. You have good quality headset. I don't even hear any music. I don't know what the fuck you guys are talking about. That's just the sound of battle. That's the sound of pillaging going on. S&P back under 420. That wasn't much of a coconut bounce. They had a chance to, you know, get back over 100, get back over 15 AMC, GME respectively. They're under still. They're stuck under still. S&P back under 420 stuck, so looks like it's all happening. It's about to happen. It would make sense to get a bit of a dollar dip here, but that's getting it all over with. Cruising up to the ultimate resistance, up over 100. It looks like it's... There's too much trouble brewing. There's too much chaos going on. This is it. We're in the middle of it all. Hardcore market crash action. Even if we got a dollar dip, it's not gonna dip that much. Going up here regardless. It's a matter of time now. A 100's extreme. It doesn't really get over 100. Right here, straight back down. Right here, straight back down. The last time it was really over 100 back here, that was 1999. That was the Y2K. What did they call that again? The Y2K float error. Absolutely ridiculous. I was like 10 years old back then. So I didn't understand what exactly that whole concept was. There's a bunch of fear mongering about a glitch in the economy based on the programming of the banking systems and the calendars. Absolutely ridiculous. That makes no sense. That has no validity to it. I don't know how people thought that was gonna happen. That was fucking ridiculous. That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard. So basically the concept was, oh, the year 1999 is programmed into the date on the code, and then when it turns to the year 2000, the code won't be able to handle it because the number stops at 1999. No, that's ridiculous. It just rolls back to zero. And if people didn't program stuff like that into their systems, then those systems were doomed to fail from the very beginning. So they thought all the computers were gonna explode, basically, just because of some silly calculation. Now that we're thinking about it, isn't it interesting though? So that's where Y2K was. Look how intense the dollar was behaving. Look what happened with the markets during that time. There's all the fear mongering about that or whatever, right? Well, okay, let's say here's 2000. The fear mongering, the FUD of Y2K would be this leading up towards it. The fear, uncertainty, and doubt, global chaos, dollar value goes up. That's what's happening right now. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt, dollars going up. Right? All the panic going into the year 2000. And then people saw, oh, nothing happened, that didn't mean shit. And then a massive bull run on all the stocks right after. That's where like Amazon and Google went stupid. Everything comes back around if you only believe. If we were trading back then, we would have been talking about it similar to what's happening now. We'd be like, that's a bunch of FUD, the dollar's gonna get topped out, and a big dollar crash, bull run. Get rich off Amazon and Google and Apple. That's kind of what's going on now to a smaller extent. A mini cycle like that down here would last a year like this. Getting all the market FUD right now, get extreme, top out over 100, and then a big bull run after everyone realizes it's a bunch of fun. No, not really. There's serious stuff going on. It's just that they're always gonna manipulate the media. Simple as that. Okay. I really mean that. There's always gonna be some global catastrophes in the world. There always has been. There always will be. Going back to the medieval days, fucking knights and the round table and everything. It's just a matter of how much they focus on it, how much attention they give it, how they spin the narrative, and how they perpetuate it to the general population. That's where the manipulation comes in. When it's really bad stuff, they can use that to their advantage to stir up even more confusion in the markets. and make it get extreme like this. I mean, look, the Federal Reserve, they're smart. They must be, because they tricked all the Americans 40 years ago. They know exactly what the value of the dollar is doing. They're watching this chart too. When they see it get extreme after a market crashes, and they would see the S&P crashes, and it gets really intense, and they get pressured to help stimulate the economy again. Look, it's going to get to a breaking point. The market will crash, and then the population, the people, are going to demand that the government do something about it. And they will. They're not going to do shit until that happens. They're not going to print any money until it crashes. They're not going to stimulate anything until it gets completely extreme. And there's no other choice. Do you see how many times this has happened before right here? It's the same thing 3 times in a row. Did the same exact cycle 3 times in a fucking row. Excuse my language today, or don't. Markets are hot. I hold back. Gotta communicate the knowledge. Hey, Coco Flannel 8. How are you doing? Ooh, Tommy Lane, fuck yeah! How did we lose sight of VXX with Moen and Canberra Energy? VXX 29! Let's go! Oh yeah. Thanks, Tommy Lane. My goodness. We almost missed $30 VXX! Can you imagine we weren't watching it when it hits 30 after all that? Someone had to notice. We all sent it yesterday with the vote. Awesome, Coco Flannel 8 goes, I'm being so very patient. I believe that. You're still here, hanging on. You're proving that. If you could be patient through the last few months, you really can make it through anything. You see how extreme it is. It's literally crazy ass market crash. Even if you're a brand new trader, you see that. Like, this doesn't happen every day. This doesn't happen every month, every year. This is once in a few years you get something fucking crazy like this. If you were a new trader and you entered back here, all you would have ever known is bull run, bull run, bull run, bull run, and then you don't know how to handle your positions because you've only seen green, and then you get toasted on this part, and you lose it all on the way down because you don't know how to handle the down and the hot bevies. Ah, so sweet. She goes, thank you for your words of confidence. Yeah, I really believe in you. What are your favorite holds, Coco? Do you have any favorites that you're being patient on right now? It's a double-digit day, no. Look at all the double digits! The wind! HP, big time! Holy cow! What? Ocean power! Ocean power 25%! Let's go! Woo! We're getting hyped about that just yesterday. I was showing off the buoys. I swear, the hedgies must be watching the show, cause it's been like the next day after talking about all these ones. We were just talking about ocean power yesterday with this cool technology where literally generating power, electric power energy off the ocean. The movement of the waves as it bobs up and down. Natural, sustainable energy. Pretty badass. If you envision the future what this could maybe be one day, it's like maybe boats could like pull up beside this in electric boats one day, right? Or like recharge their Tesla boats on their ocean power. Are there any electric vehicle boat companies? That's what we need to scout out. Forget the electric cars, where are the electric boats at? That's a long time in the future, but damn, I'm sure it's coming one day. This is a 10x short. It's crushing it lately. So it's literally the top of the list today. So it's nuts, about 30%. We've been waiting a long time for this one, just keeping it on the radar pretty much all last year. $10 target. From 1 to 10. They're bouncing crazy huge from $1 lately. Alright, so ocean power, epic bounce from $1 there. Casser Maritime. Epic bounce from $1. CTRMB. MindMed. Epic bounce from $1. It's still at $1 right now. Central Electric bouncing from $1. So good. Every one of those, each one of those I just pointed out, they're lit. Rocket Fuel's lit on those. Finally, good day for VXX bulls here. And I sent Jeff a message about that. Fong TT. My goodness. One of the new members who hopped aboard the ship yesterday. I remembered who it was after the show. It was somebody who was watching from day one last year. I knew I recognized the name. That's wild that people who were trading the markets a whole year ago and then took 6 months off and they're getting back in it. AMC 1450, sealing the deal. Charts leading the way. Isn't it better to know what it's gonna do, even if it's not green? Whoa, Swift Mischief, goddamn. Nice one, dude. Congrats. This shit's up 250% on his ocean power calls from yesterday. That's right. Damn. I hope you got a nice position on that one. I hope you're making bank on that one. Please tell me you went all in ocean power yesterday. I'm scared you would never want to do that, really. That sounds good, though. I'm saying, hopefully it wasn't a $10 position. That might be a nice big one for you. Get 10x out of it on those calls. So if he entered with $1,000 yesterday, he just made $2,500 in one day. Damn, we all should have done that. I should have done that too. That would have been a nice win for the day for anyone. No matter how big or small your portfolio is. $2,500 in one day is nothing to sniff at. Oh! Are you kidding me? Great Panther mining! Go fucking way! It's up 30%! The one from yesterday! WTF, mate? Couldn't get any better. I must be dreaming. I must still be sleeping. I keep thinking it can't get any better than this. And it keeps getting better and better every day. The gold and silver mining company. With the gold breakout. We were talking about that all day yesterday. I like that chart even more. Here it is over here on the right. From the double bottom. Alright, goodness. I hope some of you are killing it on that. I know there's lots of interest in it. Previously, it looked so perfect. It was so primed and ready to go. That bottom with the gold breakout, so this is why we were talking about it so much yesterday, because we were looking at gold per ounce. It's obvious gold per ounce breakout. Gold and silver mining company at the all-time low, double fucking bottom, let's go! He goes, let's fucking go, crew. I'm about to walk out of my job right now. We got job quitters and stuff. This is epic. If this is how it's gonna be all year, what the... Are you kidding me? We're gonna get back to town. We'll be at the moon in no time at all. We'll be at the fucking moon before the year's even over. We'll all be rich, like... Sheesh. Let's get some sevens in the chat.
777.
We better send it. telling you, it's exactly the whole point right now. Is dumb money's gonna fuck up the whole way. A whole step of the way. We're gonna make mistakes every week, every month right now. Look how hard it is to... I'm charting stuff for like 12 hours a day every day to keep up with it and be able to keep on top of it all. Plus I'm a master at it already. New traders are fucked if they're on their own in retail, and if they're just trading based off the news and whatever they're doing besides the charts. They're so screwed right now. That means people who actually are on top of it, people who actually know what they're doing, you can get so far ahead of everyone else. Everyone else is doing this. They're falling behind. You're doing this. You're bullishly diverging. They've never even heard about VXX or Ocean Power or Mullen or Great Panther mining. No one even knows what that is. And we have ample charts that look like this that are just absolute fire. Any one of them could be life-changing opportunity. Really, like Great Panther mining all on its fucking own. If you ride it up 30x, that's life-changing opportunity right there on that one chart. Should we just be charting GPL every day? Like, maybe we should just drop all our other charts and chart Great Panther mining every fucking day. You see what I'm saying? Like, the opportunities through the roof right now. That's an obvious clear entry right where we want it with 30x fucking targets. It's insane, just on one chart. And we have like 50 charts that look like it. Everyone got wrecked on it last year already. The money's already been lost. They already fucked up back here. They can't buy it. They can't enter here because they already lost money on it. They already moved on to other stuff. Stock Wizard said I was a Great Panther mining trader back in the day. Yeah, and you probably moved on from it like months ago or years ago, right? Only a savage would be paying attention enough with the gold breakout and the chart down here at the double bottom to pillage that. Like 10 years later. This is in 2010. This is 2017. It's literally like 10 years later. It's the best it's ever looked. Once in a lifetime opportunity because you had to wait a decade to get that kind of an entry on it. And here it is today. Like, we don't have to wait 10 years to get a good entry on Great Panther mining. It's right here, right now. That's what's cool about AMC and GameStop. I don't want to wait 10 years to get a good entry on it. If it goes down soon, okay, cool. We'll pillage it soon. Coconut bounced over 15, so try not to jump to conclusions, but we got the warning sign. Alright, I'm gonna specify about AMC and GameStop. In case anyone's confused, AMC and GME. You can't, it's reasonable expectation that there would be a bit of a coconut bounce on S&P today because it went so far so down yesterday. Get a bit of a recovery bounce, whatever. So there are going to be some mind games today. Try not to jump to conclusions. AMC, GameStop, they're going to be playing around that area at least a little bit, which they're doing right now. Just popping right above and below $15 and $100 respectively. That was the warning sign. That was the bearish puzzle piece, okay, breaking below 15. The next step is getting stuck under 15. If it gets stuck under 15, there's no hope for it at the moment. It'll be going down lower first before bouncing and going up after. Only if it gets stuck under 15. If it holds the day over 15, and that was just a stop hunt, a shakeout, and we close the day at 15, it's all good. We got the warning sign, the red flag, okay? That's all it is right now. But if it gets stuck there all day at like $14.99, that's very bad for it, the short term. It's very bearish for the short term. Right now it's just saying, hey, be careful, it's showing weakness. And GameStop did bounce right back over 100 already, so it's still playing around this area, but we got a red flag there. Be careful, because if it gets stuck here, end of day, it's in trouble. 99. And that's probably going to happen if S&P keeps going down all day. If S&P's done playing games itself and this just continues down, it's going to be hard for them to go green. I think they're only going to hold the line. I think they'll only stay green if the S&P stays green as a coconut bounce. Oh, that made sense. I know it made sense. I don't know if you understood though. The dollar's coinciding with this. The dollar's telling you everything you need to know as well. It's the dollar also agrees and tells us right here that AMC might be going lower. Look how extreme the dollar is. We started charting the dollar in the very beginning because it was relevant for AMC. If dollar keeps going straight up here, they're gonna take some damage. Simple as that. Just be ready for it. You know there are some traders going all in on GameStop at 100, and that might be a mistake. Alright, badass. What else is blowing up? Voyager Therapeutics. Okay. Interesting long-term action. That looks good, but probably not our biggest targets. I'll have to pull up the real chart at some point. That looks good too. There's a reason these ones are going green. It's hard for charts to go green right now, so if they are, it's important. Percentage is very relevant. Percentage blowing up. There you go. We got a live one. Brand new banger. We have our golden entry down there. It's already been crushing it. 50%. Pirate wedge, pirate wedge, pirate wedge. Here's the risk reward on the trade, 155 to 1. We even measured it out one day. We were talking about stop losses and stuff. Tight stop loss. 700% targets. It's already getting late. You're already missing the bull run. What are you waiting for? You're the gunners! Percentage holdings to New Camber Energy. Becky's excited about AEI. Yeah. Back on track. Did have a minor speed bump there. Some people were concerned about it when it went down there, but as long as we were holding the line, good to go. Breakout retest success. Pirate wedge. When they write, maybe it'll come down to me one day. It'll be up to me to do this one day. When they write top 10 trading strategies, the next trading textbook for brand new investors, they better put pirate wedge in there, number 1. Lesson number 1, pirate fucking wedge. Lesson number 2, hot baby. Lesson number 3, magic number.
777.
Probably be up to me to write that book when I retire one day. Tina's oil stock's doing very well last couple of days. Gold boom, oil boom, market crash, S&P tank. Yeah, Mama Geek. You just open the textbook and you hear the robot.
Hot beverage.
We need a new name for days like this. Holy cow. This is more than a double-digit day. Like, if they were all up 10%, sure, it'd be a double-digit day. When they're all up 30%, what do we even call that? Another day at the office. A smooth day of sailing. XL's been maintaining over 2 consistently. I like that. Think we'll be seeing a lot more action at XL fleet very soon. Hey Jeff, glad you're here. I was gonna send you a message about VXX. We're getting up there. We're doing it. Early dork. Your job just banned live streams on your computer. Time to find a new job. Apparently that's the thing right now. You all leveling up on the torch? You're leveling up at your real work at the 9 to 5s. So you gotta find a job that lets you watch Captain Denwo all day long. That's those are the ones who are really stacking the green while they're stacking the green. If your boss is cool with it, like Tell Moss got his boss to I think it's hilarious. Basically, his boss was taunting him, kind of laughing at him for trading Metin, for trading a penny stock, just in general. And then he doubled his money on Metin back here. And he showed her that. He's like, look, Metin doubled in a week, what's up? She's like, oh, okay, I guess it's cool if you watch the show. It's cool if you do that all day at the office, because it works. So his boss actually wants him to succeed in life. I think that's really positive, really encouraging. Maybe your boss will be okay with it if you talk to him about it in the right way, if you approach him in the right way. Tell him you'll help him out with trading tips, you'll help him out with market tips. Becky got a small discount on her rent because she gives her landlord some trading tips. There goes S&P, no coconut bounce in sight. Oh, 1% red after 3% yesterday. Well under 420. Are we going under 4 right now? Oh, I don't know if that's even possible today. That's quite a stretch. It's possible, but holy fuck. That would be the biggest red day it's ever seen, really. It has to go like 4.5% red to go under 400 today. It's possible, that's a stretch. Hardly ever does that. Let's measure the ones back here again. Okay, these candles is one of the biggest ones. 4.4% red right there. See, it is possible to go that far down within a day, but it's probably not gonna stay down there. If it does, it might just tap at 400 or something. It is possible though. Let's double check. 4.5%. That's a doozy. That would be a giant red candle today. Hey, Bill Watson. Hacker Grizzly. Gotcha. This manager showed him the Denwo trading channel. Who's your manager? Are they somebody I would know in the chat? Scallywag's already doing it full time. We already do have a bunch of the crew who's in it to win it. Watch them every day, all day to get ahead. I respect that. I respect your commitment. LC, funny. enjoying a cup of coffee with us. It's a good way to spend the morning. Sipping on the coffee while you're just kicking back, watching the green roll in camera energy. That's a lot more enjoyable than turning on the mainstream media, the news station, hearing scary things, right? And there's the beauty of trading. Now you see why it's such a beautiful thing, and it can be so enjoyable with a team, with a real community, because we can all just hop on here and be positive together and enjoy the market action no matter what's going on in the world. What? Kelly's frozen again? Oh no. Robert said refresh worked. Everything's good on my end. It's so odd. I'm telling you, it's only days when stuff's going straight up. It's only when we're crushing it to the upside. When everything's going straight down, there's never any buffering issues. I didn't name drop any billionaires today, did I? Oh, I talked shit about the Fed Reserve. I guess I did do that. Close out a couple of charts, that might help. The shitty part is it boots out all the audience. See, basically, that's how it is. It's basically nothing happens except it boots the whole audience. So it feels like, what the fuck? They don't want you watching or something. They just kick everyone out of the show. Alright, we'll take our quick coffee intermission and let people come back in. I'll see if I can double check everything. The good news, if you can hear me, the good news is this happened yesterday and we were able to keep rolling. We didn't have to restart the stream. I was able to get it back up and going again. So if it does completely fuck up, check back in a few minutes. Be restarting it if it does completely fuck up. Thanks everyone. Last time it froze for a few minutes, but it did not crash entirely. We were able to get it back going, so hang in there. Wow. Here's the long-term percentage holding chart. That's funny looking. Heads up, we're gonna take a bit of a lunch break today as well. All the adrenaline yesterday, I ended up falling asleep right after the show. I don't even have any donuts prepared. We're gonna have a bit of a lunch break today. about once a month we take a lunch break. Hardly ever. It's a rare while. Coffee's first. We'll make sure everything's on track first. Yeah, the quality dropped and stuff. Sorry about that, guys. Very weird. Double checking it all. I mean, that should be better. Get 2 flowers. Yeah, Supernova girl. The lunch breaks. We live stream all day, every day from market open to close, except for an occasional lunch break, like once a month. And I'll double check all the stream stuff during the lunch break and everything. So just bear with me for now with the quality, whatever, refreshing. Triple digit day. This ain't no double digit day. One of these trying to go 100%. She's set the J up 40%. Very cool. It's no ordinary double digit day. Markets are hot. It's okay to hack the market. She got those market hacks on. Becky's trying to queen the chat, even though she was the one. We got the aimbot turned on. That's how I'm hitting all the 360 nose guns. Hey Tina, you excited about your oil company? GTE double digits. That timing is right. That timing is now. Is everyone making money today? No, not exactly. Bum. No, our hold. It depends. The holders. Ride's getting it. Ride from 220. There are a lot of holds that haven't moved yet, so like if you're all in on ride, nothing's happened really yet. If you have a bunch of Met and Sphere 3D, stuff like that. We're not really gonna be hitting a Met and target today, right? Probably. Anything's possible. Sphere 3D is when crypto's flat right now. Bitcoin's pretty flat, stagnant lately the past few days. There's not gonna be too much movement here on these crypto stocks or the altcoins. So like Grayscale Litecoin, all our Grayscale Litecoin holders, we're not making money on that yet. Time's ticking. The swing traders, on the other hand, day traded paradise has come back full swing. Full stop. Brickell, BBI. I like this setup a lot. We had a nice 100% day on Brickell a month or so ago. A little over a month ago. All in one day from this same entry. 100% round 2. Pirate Wedge. Well, it already did the Pirate Wedge. Now it's going for the continue. It's like Mullen. This is like Mullen. From under $1 on Mullen again. Where we traded it up. Full retracement back down to the bottom. Get back in, or Camber Energy even. Where it already put in a nice Pirate Wedge. And this is round 2. Ride it back up again. Of course, Macy's. Fucking Macy's short squeeze. So funny. I wonder if we're getting any developments on the bear charts with the S&P being red. It seems like it's trying to coconut bounce, it's just not making it very far. It's not even gone green yet. It's been trying to have a coconut bounce and kind of failing at that. Dollar pump. Dollar's making a go for it. Good for VXX. So really, it's a VXX kind of a day. Yet we have all these 30% charts. Awesome. Yeah, really the day traders and swing traders, if you're actively getting in and out of some of these things, those are the big wins right now. That all comes back to having a proper portfolio balance. You got your investments and your long-term holds, your speculations, your crypto. Those are kind of stagnant right now. The swing trading and day trading's picking up lately. Such a tease on VX. These other 20% now. Evil and Voyage are not 20%. We should have some old charts for those. Here we go. Voyager from the buy box. My goodness. Get our purple buy box. That's sick. Green alert. So it depends what you're holding. If you're holding Voyager Therapeutics from a few months ago, you're getting it good. Or if you bought the hot babies, if you have doubled down on some of the dips recently. Holders, diamond handsers on like Ride, Nikola, Virgin Galactic, stuff like that. We gotta be patient on all those ones for April. Another month or two. What about Geo? I was going for a hot bevy, but I look strong now. Didn't make it all the way down. Got pretty close. So that's why it's up 20%. AI is 20% now. Whiskey. Is that Amco? That was back in December, of course. And December, January, pretty much everything went lower than it should be. And now we're getting Pirate Wedge. AI Pirate Wedge. This is the part where it goes straight up 200%. So if you were able to double down on AEI here, that's perfect. Stuff like that, or new entries on it for swing traders. That's where the treasure's at currently. If you're like diamond handsing metamaterials, accumulating hot baby metamaterials, not bored enough is, you gotta give that one more time. It just had the earnings and everything. Or TCAP. It is a perfect entry on TCAP, of course. But we gotta give it more time for crypto. Speaking of which, I do want to take a peek at Bitcoin. If there's any movement at all here. Okay. Solid. Not much. Still developing in our favor. Looks like we got another bounce off this support. So it hasn't moved too much, but it is developing. Putting in another higher low, basically. Higher lows. The market cap chart's probably like decent enough. See your total 2 chart, yeah. It's the critical area. X marks the spot. You can see how it's behaving off of all these different trend lines. So, got the yellow one. We got bounce here. Bear trap here. Bounce here. Rejection here. Resistance here. How about the green one? Breakout. Retest. Success. Retest. Support. Bounce. A lot going on here. Altcoin market cap. Yeah, we're gonna have to. Let's not jump to conclusions on AMC GameStop. I probably shouldn't have said it so bluntly earlier about, oh, I saw that's getting a smackdown or whatever. It's gonna be till the end of the day. If it gets stuck under 15 all day, it's screwed for now. If it holds, closes over 15 end of day, it's still back on, it's still hanging in there. That was the red flag today, a warning sign. Be careful here. Still gotta be real careful. Give it some more time toward the end of the day and see where it's at. It's because S&P is finally flashing green. There's the real coconut bounce. We're getting the real. That's why they're green right now. Is they went down. Look, they're gonna depend on the S&P today. Whatever you think AMC is gonna be over under 15, it's gonna be depending S&P right here. AMC was under 15 when S&P was down here. AMC is over 15 when S&P is up here green. If S&P closes red down here today, AMC is gonna close under 15. Depends how you feel about that. It's looking like it will. It's looking very weak today after yesterday. We might very well get that continuation today. It's looking like we're gonna get continuation downwards on S&P today. Another huge red day like yesterday. And then a real bounce on it tomorrow, end of the week, whatnot. Not today. I don't think it's gonna hold green here. It's struggling already. Stuck under 420 effectively. So we got the red flag on AMC. Be careful, because it's gonna drop below 15 if S&P falls right back down here. And that might really get stuck under there for the rest of the week. It's looking like dollar's trying to continue as well, so that's further confluence, more verification. If dollar's gonna keep heading upwards today, stocks are gonna struggle to go green, except for the ones that are up 30%. Except for Great Panther Mining and Mullen and Brickgo and Scented Shoulder. All those ones. Those should stay nice and green all day no matter what. Yeah, that's what's exciting, Tina. If we really get that nice hot heavy on it finally, like this month with the S&P crash, that's perfect. That will start the short screws. It needs to hit a limit first. We got this earnings in May 9th. Hit the hard bottom, then bounce going into the earnings in May. Makes perfect sense. After the dollar's all finished, after the market crash is settled down, it's pretty reasonable. That's the most logical expectation right now. Let's do it this week, I agree. That's how it's going. Yesterday, 3% down here. If we get a 3% red day S&P today and a 3% tomorrow, 3%. Okay. There's 3% tomorrow. Wednesday, Discord day. And another 3% Thursday. What if it did? What if it was just huge red days every day? 3% red Friday. We'd be down here at the end of the week, $350. It could go down here by the end of the week, $350. And that's getting towards our target. That really, we're looking at $325, $350 for the crash target. That would be getting down there. It might not take too long. But one step at a time, one day at a time, that's... We've seen so many coconut bounces along the way. There will be more. Hopefully it doesn't just battle around 420 all week. I'd prefer not to do this all week. Either way. Okay, so yeah, I mean, the S&P, it's tough to predict day to day like that. The dollar's leading the way. Focus on what the dollar's doing. As long as dollar's going up, it's gonna be hurting, doing damage to the S&P. Unless we get a big dollar dip right now. That's how we'll know where it's going next. The good part is our bullish stocks. They're doing their own thing. Percentage 45%. See, some new mullet is going for 100% one day. $2 target roughly on the day on centage. It's at 130 right now. We're getting like 100% charts every day. Once a week. It's wild. So in a certain regard, it's almost like who cares what S&P does today if you're trading percentage holding. It's not affecting this one at all. It doesn't matter at all for this. Depends what you're going for. If you're in VXX, that's everything. That's everything right now. We got hit 30 on it here. Come on, this next big move, there's no way it's not hitting 30. And that'll do it. So S&P here, getting the hammer. If we get this right now, that's the VXX target. And then you take profits on VXX down here. And then coconut bounce and VXX goes back down the rest of the week. If we get this right now, that's it. We are gonna have a lunch break at some point, so hopefully, oh, we do see it right now. Before that, I want like right now. Let's get some sevens in the chat. Don't even wait for Bearish lunch hour.
$777.
Otherwise, it could take till the whole fucking end of the week. If it doesn't happen right now. It's all there, so dollar's getting bullish crossovers and everything. That's 7 then. I chat Wendell. I thought we would have more time. I didn't expect the dollar to smash up there that fast. Well, I trust the charts is not fucking around. This is March. This is the new month right here. Straight up. We really might just smash right into the target in a week or two, and then we're getting our epic bull run real soon. And I really think, where are you seeing it? This is the sign that is coming. This is what's gonna be happening every day when we get that dollar crash, the ultimate dollar crash afterwards. This is a taste of what's ahead of. This is the beginning of the rest of the year's bull run to come. They're not even waiting. They're not waiting for that. They're going right now already, so okay, so this is how we hit our long-term targets on these things. Let's say centage hits $2 here now, and then it sells off for a month. And then dollar crash, boom, it goes to $5. Right after. That's how we'll hit these gigantic long-term 10x targets. This is the start. Hit our first conservative hundreds of percent target. Or halfway up targets.
777 to SPY melting 777.
Nice. Cheers, Evo Toro. You might need it the most. All those puts that you fired off. Oh yeah, alright, we better check our pair charts. Sure reminded me. Unintentionally reminding me. Bit of a mind game on the green opening. Some people say Hershey's was red. It looks like it. I don't see it on the green list. A lot of these took damage yesterday. Okay. Nice. Yeah, nice. Hershey's 3% down. They're taking damage now. The 3 that we needed to develop are getting obliterated. Woo! The frozen chocolate is finally melting. It was just a matter of time with the sun beating down on it. All time high, say goodbye. We're looking at over the wedge, over that green line. That's the blow off top. We're almost back down in. Falls below 200. It's done. We crushed it under 200. It's coming. You gotta sense it. Go Hershey's, go! One of my favorite trades ever because it's a tricky one. That was tough. Now you can relax. Okay, relax, Hershey's Bears. No worries. It was intimidating yesterday. It's looking like 210's the hard top. Not 200, 210 after all. One more drop below 200. Good to go. This is why we were waiting for S&P to take more damage. I suspect that they're all going to be doing this now. The bear charts start melting again. The S&P rollover. But be careful, just because it's green doesn't mean it's in good shape at all. Etsy's green, that doesn't matter. Like Neo's green is still way the fuck under $20. Nothing can save that now. Nothing's gonna save Neo now. It's beyond the point of no return. That's the thing. Alright, when they get to certain levels, it becomes a point of no return. Where it's like S&P gets stuck under 420 now, it might not go over 420 ever again till the crash is over. That could be the point of no return. I'm thinking more 400 is down here. After we get stuck under 400, that's really the point of no return, but nonetheless. If you want to look at it that way, you could even argue that 450 was the point of no return up here. As soon as it broke below that, it was screwed. Yeah, Evo Toro, I don't think you're gonna have to go back to work in a couple months, man. Future's looking bright. He quit his job like yesterday, and he's going all in on these trades. If they don't work out, he's got to go back to work in a few months. I don't think he's gonna have to go back. The first day of the rest of your life. AA was another one we were having to be patient on. Blow off top. Coming back down already. Great. And also Nutrient NTR, another blow off top. It looks like it's stuck under 100. These are developing. Looking good. Cavo keeps melting. Good thing everyone took Cavo profit. Oh, nice, easy. That's cool, man. Good strategy. He dropped a couple days a week at work. He's gonna do 3 days a week instead of 5 and then trade for the other 2. Well, maybe when I say trade for the other 2, that doesn't mean it's day trading 2 times a week. He could just be charting and planning. All these days at home. I like that because I think Easy maybe jumped the gun, and that's a lot of people did last year. They had nice big wins.
The
AMC
Fluent app
GME.
has prepared me for what's to come. 777.
Thanks for the 7s, Evil Toro. That's right. Whoa. Preparing for it's one thing. I know you're trying to actually get profits over the next couple months so that you don't have to go back to work. That means you're going to be more focused on swing trading rather than long-term holding. Because if you're long-term holding a bunch of stuff, you don't know if you'll get profits in a month or 2. If you're actively swing trading Camber Energy or Centage Holdings or some of the puts or whatever, you'll be watching it, monitoring it closer, more likely to hit a good target sooner. They're more active trades. That's what you'd have to focus on there. But yeah, so that's not... When I was saying that about Yohizi jumping the gun, that's not a insult, of course. It's not a... I wouldn't even call it a mistake. I don't even think it was a mistake. He just wasn't quite ready to go to that level yet. And that's what everyone was hoping for last year. Hey, G Money, welcome aboard, my friend. Fuck yeah. Let's go! Very cool. Everyone's got their golden tickets to the moon. G-Money Scoop. He's been around that chat for a while. Right, so yeah, a lot of the AMC retail traders last year, they were hoping that was what was gonna happen, is make enough money last year to quit their jobs, right? But it didn't. It did, but it didn't. It happened if you traded it properly. That could have been a realized potential there. If they were just buying the whole way up and they bought some at $50, you see how one big win's not enough. And if you're just sitting there every day waiting for the short squeeze, it's like, when am I gonna be able to quit my job? Because that's not a good way to trade. You gotta actively go out and seek them out, make it happen. Can't just sit there and cross your fingers and hope for good luck. If you got the good value entries on it at $5 and you took profits up at 50, you might have been able to quit your job. Not everyone's ready for that, so even if that's the case, it's probably not even worth it. It has to be more organic. Because, okay, you quit your job after a big win, but then you fuck up your next trade. You still don't know what you're doing, you still don't have any experience, and you just blow it all on the next one. 30% percentage! Crazy. Hey. This thing keeps blowing up. Was it up like 50% already? Wasn't even watching it there. Just popped another couple giant candles. It really might hit Trippy Digis 100% today. Yeah, Coco doesn't even want to retire this year. Exactly. It's not as glamorous as it seems, because then you're more stressed out on the charts too. You're like, oh fuck, I really gotta make a big win right now, because everything depends on that. So you're relying on your profits, your income to come from the charts. There's a lot more pressure. Make it organically, where you're having a nice streak, a nice win spree. Like Evo Toro there, he's been crushing enough bear charts and stuff. He's getting enough experience so he feels confident doing that. He knows what to expect. He's not gonna change his style. He's not gonna change it up and begin to day trade everything. He's just gonna keep doing what he's been doing. When the time happens, you'll know. You'll feel it. You'll feel like, hey, this is what's meant to be. I'm having more success on trading than I am at the 9 to 5. I'm gonna focus on that. It's no point to rush it. You're gonna be here crushing markets forever, right? The long-term success. Once a trader, always a trader. I mean, if you're enjoying it lately, you're probably starting to get addicted to it. How are you gonna go back now? There's no going back. You all hit the point of no return on trading addiction. And Viper's leveling up. Okay. Every day people gaining a valuable experience, but the more experience you get, the easier it is to fight the boss. Get the boss fight. Get those epic drops. Get an epic drop on S&P. Literally. Some of you are gonna get your green gems in the chat soon. Diamond Hands Challenge. Remember the Diamond Hands Challenge? You got diamond hands for 7 months. Our SHIBA is lower low. Cracking 1%. So much for that coconut dot. Didn't make it very far. Nice, yo, easy. See, he's crushing already. Let's go. He said he got back into the market, what, a month or two ago? With $1,000. Now he's at 13,000. He already 10x his whole portfolio. Yes, that is. Oh, if you do that again, at the end of the year, you'll be up 100K. That should give everyone lots of hope. You might be thinking, damn, I wish I could 10x my money like Cohesi. You can! He's brand new last year. He learned from Captain. He's killing it. He never doubted the charts. I've never seen Cohesi bro panic ever. Even if he was taking damage. He's always just trying to get better and better. If he can have that kind of progress in 1 year, so can you. It's an epic success story, man. When he started watching the show, he couldn't even afford to join our Discord crew, to join our trading community. I gave him a 3-month membership to get him started. He's been making tens of thousands of dollars. Back with a vengeance. See, and he also took a bit of time off to clear his mind back then. He took a couple months off when things got intense to clear his head and reapproach everything from a different perspective, and clearly it's working. He didn't have to day trade every day to do that. He's not pressing buttons every day. More planning, less button pressing. Sure, he takes big risk trades, but hey, you're picking good ones. You're listening to the charts when they're ready. Clearly, you're picking good ones to be in, even if they are high risk, high reward. That's kind of where we're at right now. Is the high risk ones are the ones going straight up, like Mullen. It's time to be taking a bit of risk when other people are too fucking scared. And also, alright, going from 1,000 to 10,000, that's real nice. High risk, high reward trades, whatnot. You might not have taken those high risk trades if you started with 10,000. It's different taking 10,000 to 100,000. Then you're being more careful. You might not want to take as many risky trades if you're trading with more money on the line. If you're starting with 100,000, be careful. You don't want to take a high risk, high reward with 100,000 and lose it all. Turning 100,000 10x to 1,000,000, that's way different. That's why you gotta go for the long. Haha, yeah, Hornet. Rock on. He watched for 2 months because he couldn't afford to join our crew at first. He got a nice win. He joined us. He's never looked back. Now he's one of our most loyal pirates. This is awesome. It's speeding up. We got 30% charts everywhere. A lot of our favorites, even our favorite swings right now. They're not our favorite long-term holds. These are not our favorite diamond hands holds. But Kember Energy is one of our favorite swings lately. Those re-entries. Great Panther Mining, as of the other day. As of like a week or two ago, was fire entries there. Percentage holdings, we've been keeping a close watch on that. A bunch of people in AEI, Mullins, an awesome banger. And we're lagging again. I was gonna say we're gonna have a lunch break soon anyway. That way I can check all that stuff. Check everything I possibly can. Make sure the show goes smooth for the rest of the day. It's awesome that it's speeding up. It'll probably take a few hours here to work its way all the way down on the SP there. go for, we'll give it another 30 minutes or so. See if we can hit 30 VXX right now. Getting back through 29 short term. Alright, here we go. Yeah, Rodney Hingama, happy Women's Day. Is that really today? It is now. It is every day. Here, let's get let's get some colors in the chat for the ladies. We were celebrating that yesterday. Oh, epic. It actually really is. Ladies, why didn't you say it? Happy International Women's Day. They're so humble they don't even mention it. Sheesh. Tuesday, March 8th, International Women's Day. That's what Hershey's was capitalizing on. Nice. The irony on the Hershey's chart is so funny. That's what makes it one of my favorite trades now. It was tricky. Everyone likes chocolate. It's a beloved brand name. Hershey's not going anywhere. The company's always going to be around making chocolate. They announced they were going to focus some kind of initiative on supplying chocolate or like branding the chocolate bar pink for International Women's Day or something. I didn't read it at all, just that was the idea. And it pumped the stock. It's the best news they could ever announce. Imagine if AMC announced something like that. Okay, International Women's Day. All the women get free tickets to the movies today. AMC would go straight up. Like, that happened on Hershey's. Of course, we're bearish on it. So it was like the best thing that they could do, but the worst thing for our trade. Alright, well, it got priced in. It did go up to an all-time high with that news. It's kind of over with now. It's priced in now. I think that was only a temporary boost. And even with that good news, it's too bearish on the long term, on the technicals of the value levels. It's not going to be enough to save it. The VXX target. The VXX target here. We got a couple of them. There's like $30.50 is one of them, etc. There's a couple different resistance points here. It's gonna depend on S&P. The target's wherever it is when the S&P gets down here. That's how we're gonna trade it. It's not gonna be a perfect target here. It's just an area, over 30 area. On the breakout of our bull box, and then going for a support retest. Probably the rest of the week or a few days or whatever, it'll come back down red, back down to like 27, 25, get a big support retest, and then next week start crushing it again. End of month, next month, etc. for the more midterm, long term. Again, the goal here is the sooner we hit a good short-term target, the sooner people can take profits on it and then enter some other trades. If we hit this afternoon, that means you can lock in some green and you can fire cannons at something else, like Nikola, Virgin Galactic, or whatnot, whatever you want. Some of the VXX holders just been itching to get out of it because it's taken so long to put in good profits on it. So they're seeing all the hot bevies rocket ship off into space, and they're going, damn, I want to get some hot bevies, but I'm still in VXX. It's looking like today's the day, finally. It's been like 2 fucking weeks of waiting for it to hit $30 there, literally almost every day of just teasing us, where it should already be $30 already, and it's not still. This has to do it. This is it now. But it may very well take all afternoon. Actually seems like a pretty good time to have a lunch break while we're waiting for that. Because basically the bull charts too right now, since it's getting extreme here right now on S&P again, and probably the dollar, yeah, dollar's trending up. Okay, since we're getting that right now, it looks like we're hitting a bit of a speed bump on the breakout charts for the bulls too. Ocean Power still ripping. Oh, PTT. But like Camber Energy, speed bump right now. Probably gonna be flat around this area for an hour or two to the end of the day. Incentive holdings up, yeah, there you go. There's a speed bump on it. Still up 30%, but it's not going straight up right now. Play around here for a couple hours, probably finish the day strong on those bullish ones. So they're right where we want them. They're cruising. We got a ton of double digits. Holy shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 charts up 10% or more. Wow. Incredible performance on the morning with these bull charts, the hot babies. Those are certainly trying to keep cruising upwards and onwards. They're just gonna, it's gonna be throughout the whole day. They're not really gonna go up 100% right now. They're gonna stay around 30%, and then end the day we might get a blast off going triple digits on 1 or 2 of them. A lot of them will probably finish the day bigger numbers than they're at right now. Like Nikola's up 10% right now. Nikola might close the day up 20% up here throughout the rest of the afternoon. There's no sign of weakness. They look incredible. They're kicking the market's ass. Let's call it, it is bearish lunch hour right now, exactly, so that's what it is. It is what it is. Bit of coconut bounce choppiness on S&P and everything. we're just looking for continuation later in the day now. Any other surprises and whatnot. Awesome. So let's have our lunch break too then. Final thoughts about it, and then we'll have our lunch break too while this is developing. Pick things back up in an hour or so. It'll be as quick as possible. So it's 9 a.m. 10 a.m. Western. 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. 10 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. In an hour from now, we'll be back up and running. Ocean power, no slowdown is. They haven't slowed down. They're just paused. Timeout. Freeze frame, basically. Everything's trying to cement which direction it wants to go. Trying to truly establish here after these big breakouts. All the traders are making up their mind. Is this a fake out breakout? Is it the beginning of something much bigger? They're trying to figure it out right now because they probably FOMO'd in ocean power right here, and they're not sure what's gonna happen next. Our charts are showing the way. These are perfect setups. Incredible. Lucid's almost double digits. AHT's almost double digits. Ride's cruising today. Nice bounce action on Ride right now. Incredible performance after the S&P went 3% red yesterday, and it's red all day today as well. Literally in the midst of the brunt of the market crash, and we're getting major breakouts. Bounces, epic. Those are all good to go. We're even getting some bearish developments like with Hershey's. I like where that's heading. That's why we had to give it another week this week. Go under 200. And crypto's just kind of stagnant. It's also developing. Hard to notice that. It's hard to realize anything's even happening here, but we did have a bit of a bounce from this blue support trend line. What that does for Bitcoin, we have higher lows. Maintaining an uptrend. Still healthy. Alright, awesome. I could just keep going and going. Thanks so much, everyone. All the kind words on support this morning. That was epic. We'll pick things right back up in about an hour from now. Hope to see you there. Happy trading. Have an awesome day. Let's go. I'll do my best to fix the stream quality stuff going on while we're gone. Thanks, everyone. See you later. Hungry for some bear steak. Happy International Women's Day.